Hi, my name's Dawn Shannon, owner of Intuition Salon and Spa. I'm also a hairstylist, and you can visit us on the web at www.intuitionsalonandspa.com. And now we're going to demonstrate how to use the clips on shorter hair. So first, what you want to do is you want to decide if you want some volume or not. And for this particular style, we're going to put a little volume and spray so it holds. And then we're going to use a headband. Now this particular one has combs in it, which makes it really easy for it to hold better. And we're going to leave a bang. Oops. And we put this right before the lift here. And then you can also either sweep the bangs over a little bit more, or you could have them more down. It's up to you. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to do it with a little less bang. There's another style. And that's headbands for short hair.